East Middle School Common Area Expectations. Building Arrival Expectations. Buses and car riders are admitted to the building at 7:10 a.m. Students eating breakfast may head to the cafeteria at this time. Buses should finish unloading by 7:25 a.m. Make sure you are entering using the correct entrance. Bus riders should enter the main entrance by the counselor's office, and car riders should enter the main entrance by the attendant's office. Building Arrival Expectations. Walk and talk using an inside voice. If a teacher can detect your voice specifically, you are talking too loudly. Let the adults be in charge. Once inside the building, report to your designated morning location. 6th grade is in the small gym or their common area. 7th and 8th grade is in the large gym, with 7th grade sitting on the north side and 8th grade sitting on the south side.